Hey, what up everyone? It's your boy Alter Tech and I'm back again with another video, and in this box is the Moto GamePad mod, which I got from Newegg for about $29.99. A pretty good deal. I guess they're trying to clear out the inventory. So let's see what we get. Now, I'm not really much of a gamer, but if I used to game a lot when I was younger, especially on the Sega Genesis. The overall presentation, now it's a nice box. Transform your phone into a handheld gaming console. Features a console-like controls, a 1035 mAh built-in battery, a 3.5mm headset jack, and USB port for charging. Okay, that's pretty cool. Includes a gamepad, carrying strap. Everything else is in a different language. Compatibility requirements: the Moto Z phone with Moto Mods platform 1.0 or later. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Now let's open this baby up. Now, I've been doing a lot of videos on these Moto Mods and I haven't been getting much reviews, or views I should say. I guess because everyone's pretty much giving up on the Moto Mods because, I don't know, I guess the Moto Z might be coming to an end. It's pretty sad because these had a lot of potential with them. So we have a little strap, so you guys can see that. A little strap, gamepad instructions. What else we got in here? I guess is the warranty and stuff info. And this is the gamepad. Now, I did watch some reviews online. Some people said that the directional pad was too stiff and there was some lag to it. Now, okay, so the back has a nice texture design, kind of like the Moto battery mod. I'm not sure what this actually represents, but it looks pretty cool. So we have, okay, so we have a bumper over here and a bumper over here, up, down, left, right, joysticks. Okay, so now these feel pretty good. I don't see any problems with these. Oh, you can actually push them down too, like on the PS3 controllers. There's a home button, Y, X, A, B. Select, start. Okay, now this, okay, it is pretty loud. I'll give them that. Another complaint some people had with it was that these buttons were too loud, but you know, they do look pretty stylish. All right, so it has like this clear buttons with the A, B, X, Y. So you know, it's very stylish. I give, okay, based on off the clearly just the design, it's very impressive. I believe this is plastic. Everything is smooth. It's a nice finish. It looks very, I'd say it looks pretty impressive. So now, how does this gamepad actually hold up? Now, here's the problem when playing games on your phone. For me personally, the controls, the virtual controls, are just, you know, they take up too much space on the phone. Now, this is perhaps one of my most favorite games of all time. Start, one player. So we have the, you know, the D-pad over here and the A, B, and C and start button. Now the thing about this is that it's not that easy to, it doesn't really register too well. So hopefully this Motorola GamePad mod, all you gotta do is pretty much attach it. I'm not sure if there's any programming I gotta do, or I gotta assign the buttons. I'm not sure about that. So switching from B and C, this is not really good for a fighting game because you're going to be mashing buttons all the time. So let's see what the Moto mod actually does. Hopefully there's no lag. I heard a lot of reviews where people were complaining about lag. Okay, so it just instantly connects. Okay, so you just added full control of your gaming experience. Gaming controls. The button functions are defined by the game you choose to play. Okay. Lights out. Press home plus X buttons to turn your gamepad lights on and off. Home plus X button. Oh, so when you press, okay, we press home and X, okay, these lights come on. Alright guys, so it turns out that I won't be able to play my favorite childhood game, Streets of Rage, pretty much because the developers who designed this game gave me the option to assign the punch, jump, and special button, but they didn't give me the option to assign the up, down, left, and right controls. So it's pretty much their fault. Has nothing to do with the Moto mods. So just so I won't have to go through that experience again, I'll simply open up the Moto Game Experience or Explorer app. These games are all guaranteed to work with the Moto gaming mod. So I do have Sonic and Asphalt installed. Now, since this game is from the Moto Explorer app, do I have to assign the controls, or will it automatically just have it assigned for me? Oh, okay, so the controls are actually, there's no programming involved. It's pretty responsive. Okay, let me just pause this. Okay, awesome. So A is accelerate. Okay, B is nitro. Okay, X is brakes. So I really don't feel any lag like what most people were complaining about. Maybe it's for other games, I'm not exactly sure. Oh, this game is actually pretty fun. Okay, maybe for other games you might experience some lag. So let me try a different game right now. I believe there's a cheat up, down, left, right. Up, down, left, right, A, start. Okay, I messed up. Okay, so let's see if there's any lag right now. Jump, so that's pretty good. Why do we have these? 1 second. So for the settings, let me just take out that annoying. Okay, so I could use the joystick and I could use the D-pad. Now I don't really understand why everyone was complaining about the D-pad. It feels pretty good. Down, up, down, up, down, up. I mean, I'm not sure where the lag is. Yo, it's pretty fun. I feel like a child again. Holy smokes. Yo, these mods are so underrated. And like, you know, I'm actually lucky because, you know, I was actually able to get all of these on sale pretty much because no one was buying them. So if you do have a Moto Z device, I'd say go ahead and buy these Moto mods that are on sale or on clearance. Like, this is legit super awesome. Like, this feels like a Sega Game Gear, kinda. And it was only 30 bucks. It's just 30 bucks. Yeah, like I said, I don't really feel much lag. Maybe some of you guys could check your firmware updates. Like, I'm legit kicking ass right now. So yeah, so I'm still playing and there is no lag. There's no lag, guys. So get this lamp out the way. Actually, it looks pretty cool like that. So I played Asphalt and I played Sonic and there really isn't much lag. Like, I'm not exactly sure why Motorola got all this hate. Like, I'm guessing maybe these mods were just way overpriced. But this gamepad so far, I give it on my first impressions, I gotta give it a 9.5 out of 10. I mean, let me just mute this real quick. I mean, the design, it looks pretty good looking. You got a variety of different buttons. Feels awesome. The D-pad, it doesn't feel hard at all, like how most people complained about. Now this might sound a little loud for some people, but you know, I don't really have any resistance pressing it down or mashing it. Start button, select button, home button. I don't think there's anything for me to complain about when it comes to this mod. Like, it's pretty legit. So yeah, so if you're into gaming and you do have a Moto Z device, or you know, you want to get into the Moto mod action, I definitely recommend this. I can't say no. Like, yo, this is legit super awesome. You got your headphone jack, your USB Type-C port. This mod is freaking awesome so far. So Nothing negative to say. There's nothing, noise, no lag. So if you're in it, you want to get this, I'd say go for it. So this is Altered Tech with another video. Signing out. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.